Taylor Swift joined a long list of Hollywood heavyweights revealing their outrage to the Supreme Court's ruling to overturn Roe v. Wade on Friday, June 24. After Judge Clarence Thomas, Samuel Alito, Brett Kavanaugh, Neil Gorsuch and Amy Coney Barrett signed onto the majority opinion, striking down the 1973 landmark decision and eliminating the constitutional right to abortions nationwide, the Carolina singer, 32, took to her Twitter to slam the move. Retweeting Michelle Obama's emotional statement on the Supreme Court's decision, Taylor wrote, "I'm absolutely terrified that this is where we are, that after so many decades of people fighting for women's rights to their own bodies, today's decision has stripped us of that." Taylor's public disapproval of the Supreme Court decision is in line with many of her celebrity peers, as Sophie Turner, Sarah Michelle Gellar, Pedro Pascal, Andy Cohen and more took to social media to fire back at the ruling that gives states the right to make their own abortion laws. The Grammy winner is no stranger to speaking out on controversial subjects. She's been an ardent supporter of the #MeToo movement, gun law reform and LGBTQ+ rights. In 2018, while endorsing Tennessee Democrats in the midterm elections, Taylor wrote, "I always have and always will cast my vote based on which candidate will protect and fight for the human rights I believe we all deserve in this country. I believe in the fight for LGBTQ rights, and that any form of discrimination based on sexual orientation or gender is wrong. I believe that the systemic racism we still see in this country towards people of color is terrifying, sickening and prevalent." Meanwhile, Justices Stephen Breyer, Sonia Sotomayor, and Elena Kagan issued dissenting opinions to the ruling. In their statements, the justices also said no one should be confident that this majority is done with its work, as the decision opens the door to overturning same-sex marriage, contraception and other rights. Chief Justice John Roberts wrote in a concurring opinion that he would not have overturned Roe v. Wade, however, he would have upheld Mississippi's law banning abortions after 15 weeks.